Hi, I'm Ro, your Wholesome Beauty Expert here at Lemon-Box Beauty, where we enhance your natural beauty with our natural products. And today we're going to talk about our glitter jelly. So this is one of my favorite products that add a little pizzazz and a little fun, but without all the time and work that comes with makeup. So our glitter jelly makeup is an aloe-based gel that you can apply on your hair, your face, or your body. One of my favorite ways to apply our frosted glitter jelly is to apply it as glitter freckles. I also can do a little swipe on the side as well as my hair. And of course you can do it on top of your favorite eyeshadow as well. So today I think I'm gonna apply it as glitter freckles. All right, so here's our glitter, and with clean hands, you're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a dab. And we're gonna get just a little bit on our hand. A little goes a long way with our glitter jelly. I'm gonna grab my mirror and we're gonna go ahead and do a very light patting motion across my face to create the cutest glitter freckles. You can do a little or you can do a lot. It goes all the way up to the sides. Super cute. Now that we have applied it, we're gonna let it dry for about 30 to 60 seconds. The cutest glitter freckles, perfect for your next concert, outing, or just a night on the town. Thank you for shopping Lemon-Box Beauty, your perspectives inside.